In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pythagorean Theorem to find a missing side of a right triangle. Here's our picture of our right triangle, and we're going to start by first identifying leg A. Look at the picture and see if you can identify which side represents leg A. Hopefully you had 6 centimeters. Now go ahead and identify leg B. Hopefully you had 4.5 centimeters. So obviously our hypotenuse C is the unknown, and that will stay variable C. So now we're going to take those values and replace that into your Pythagorean theorem formula. Hopefully by now you know what the formula is. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Carefully take your numbers and substitute it into the formula. We should get 6 squared plus 4.5 squared equals C squared. When I say squared, it just means take the number to the second power, or multiply it by itself. So 6 squared means 6 times 6. 4.5 squared means 4.5 times 4.5. Do your calculations and find the sum. We get 56.25 is equal to C squared. Now I don't know about you, but I can't figure out what two numbers multiplied together will give me exactly 56.25. So we're going to use a calculator, and we're going to be taking the square root of each side. When I square root C squared, I'm going to get C, and the calculator will give me the square root of 56.25. So the hypotenuse has a length of 7.5 centimeters